In today's video, I'll teach you how to create Line account. First of all, open the Line application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Line application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see two options over here, login, sign up. Tap on this option sign up that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. First of all, select the country. Tap on the field of country. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply tap on the country of your choice. Once you do that, tap on this option continue with Google that you can see on the screen. Depending on the country or region that you choose, you might also be able to see other options. For example, instead of option for the Google account, you might be able to find the option for phone number. So simply tap on the sign up method that is provided to you. For me, it is Google account, so I'm just going to choose the Google account over here. Tap on the Google account of your choice. Now you'll be able to create the account for yourself. Simply enter your name over here. Likewise, you can also add your photo. Now tap on the arrow icon that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to create the password for yourself. You'll be able to see the requirements for password over here. Make sure to meet these requirements and create the password for yourself. Now re-enter the password. After that, tap on the arrow icon again. Now you can see over here your account has easily been created. So like this you'll be able to do it. So that is how you create Line account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.